Good morning to all my students. Today I, Tarun sir, your English teacher, is going to describe the summary of a very important chapter that is included in grade 9 and 10 ICSE board. And the title of this chapter is An Old Man at the Bridge, written by Ernest Hemingway. Let's understand the title of this chapter first of all. The title is justified, a bit ironical. Why? Because in case if you go through the title, An Old Man at the Bridge, you would be nowhere in a position to understand that the title is revolving around war. But yes, the background of this chapter is all about war and the destruction caused due to war. So the title, though it is appropriate, because yes, you will read about an old man, a 76-year-old man who had covered a distance of 12 kilometers and he was sitting there at the bridge. So the title is justified because yes, he was there. The theme of this chapter is, first of all, war and its horrors. We all know that war does not lead to any solution because there is destruction and devastation on both the sides. The second theme of this chapter is duty towards others, responsibility towards others. In this chapter, you will find a soldier who is so busy in clearing the obstruction, if any, on the bridge. He sees this old man sitting. Oh my God, this shocks the soldier that how come this old man is sitting, because he might be hardly hit by the war. He does not get harsh. Listen to this, the soldier does not get harsh. Rather, in a very good tone and showing concern, he asks the old man to leave. Let's understand the explanation. The story is all about the Spanish Civil War. It's a request that please access Google and read about Spanish Civil War, that what had happened, just for your knowledge. The story is all about Spanish Civil War, where an old man was asked to leave his village due to an artillery fire. Now see, there is personification. The old man, he did not have any family members, but animals were his family. A cat, 4 pairs of pigeons, and 2 goats. This was the family of this old man. Now, you might be shocked to hear this, that how come animals can be family? Obviously we have humanity in us. We have kindness in us, and this old man had to leave his family of animals because the commander, he instructed him, the captain instructed him to leave, otherwise he would be killed in an artillery fire. Helpless old man had to cover a distance of 12 kilometers from San Carlos, his village, and he walked to the bridge. He was sitting there helplessly. Why helplessly? He is hardly bothered about his health. Though he is tired and exhausted, but he does not care about himself. He is concerned about his animals. Now let's enter into part 2. A soldier, a Republican, who is there to clear any obstruction because he has to see the fascist army whether they are approaching towards the bridge or not. In the meanwhile, he is trying to clear the civilians from there into buses and trucks, and maximum of them have already left to Barcelona. And look at this old man, he is risking his life. He is still sitting there emotional, helpless, thinking about his animals. The soldier enters into a conversation with this old man, that what is wrong with you? Why don't you leave? Come on, go. The army, the fascist army would be here within few hours. They'll kill you. The old man describes about his family of animals. The soldier is shocked. Now students, listen to this. This is very important. He says that I am worried about my animals. I would like to describe something. The soldier, he also shows interest in his talks. The old man says, cat. I am not that much worried about my cat because cat can take good care of itself. I think I might have opened the cage of the pigeons. They might have flown away. But I am worried about my 2 goats. In all total, yes, he was worried about his animals. But he gives this reason. The soldier asks the old man that what was his opinion about war. The old man says that I don't have any opinion because war and politics go hand in hand. Not only human beings but also animals are harmed. The soldier sees his immense concern towards his animals. But the soldier was very much concerned about this old man. He was feeling pity on him, that what would happen to him. At last, the old man stands up. Tired and exhausted old man stands up, trembles, but is ready to walk. He pats on the soldier's shoulder and says and thanks him for his concern. The soldier is so helpless. Listen to this. The soldier is so helpless that he cannot provide him help because he needs to clear the obstruction. The old man starts walking. There is one thing very suspicious, that will the old man be killed by the army? In this chapter, the chapter ends at a very suspicious note. And what is that suspicious note? It is the impending death of this old man. Whether he died or not, there is one important line in the end of this chapter which says that fascist army couldn't launch their planes to attack because it was almost the evening hours. That means the sun was about to set. This is the reason the fascist army couldn't launch their planes. So the old man must have survived. There is no surety about this, but it is just a prediction. It's an anti-war chapter. The soldier is the narrator itself. And in this chapter, you will, in the end, you have come to know that there is war leads to no outcome. Thank you so much, ICSE students. For complete notes or my online sessions, you can call Tarun sir at 9839305466. And I am the director of Desire Career Point. You can also join my classes offline. And we take care of each and everything: social distancing, fully sanitized center, individual personal training. Thank you so much for being a part of my channel. God bless you all.